If your T-Mobile home internet gateway won't turn on, no lights, no signal, don't panic. In this quick guide, we will walk you through how to fix it step by step and get your internet back online. Right, so first, check the power cable, make sure it's firmly plugged into both the gateway and the wall outlet. Avoid power strips, plug it directly into a wall socket if possible. Also try a different outlet in case the current one is faulty. Check the charging cable and adapter for any signs of damage. If you have a multimeter or a universal adapter, test the power brick. You can also try using another compatible power adapter. If available, it should be 12 volts, 2.5 amperes or 3 amperes depending on your model. If lights flash briefly but don't stay on, press and hold the reset button, usually on the back or bottom, for about 10 seconds. Wait a full minute and try powering it back on. If still nothing, the device might be defective. In that case, you can contact T-Mobile support on their number or visit a store for a replacement. They'll often ship a new gateway if yours is confirmed dead under warranty. And I hope that helped you get back online. Like and subscribe for more home tech fixes, and of course drop a comment if you're still stuck. We're here to help.